Alright guys, this is just a quick video. I'm going to show you my everyday carry. First thing is this. It's a pocket knife. Paid 25 bucks for it. Has a clip at the back. That's the first thing. Next is a USB key. It's just for homework, or it also has my videos inside, my YouTube videos. Just in case they get banned or anything like that. Next thing is a cell phone. Always have to keep that. And an emergency cell phone. Just in case the battery runs out on this one. I'll use this. Next thing is a Zippo lighter.
I want to touch my things.
And when I carry an iPod, I don't usually do, but I do sometimes. I carry this iPod Nano. And when I carry this, I have a solar powered charger with it.
Don't touch my thing.
Next thing is pepper spray. The company is Spike. Paid 15 bucks for this one. Carry also a pen. The last thing is a baton. It's 26 inches. It's the biggest one they had, and I paid 25 bucks for it. And no, I don't carry a wallet. It just whenever I need to carry cash, I just keep it in my back pocket. And that's everything. That's my EDC. There's everything all together, and that's it.